Welcome to Charmouth Beach. It's been voted the best in the world to visit in winter. It's located within the Jurassic Coast World Heritage Site, a 95-mile stretch of coastline between East Devon and East Dorset. There's plenty pay and display parking by the beach. Many families come here to collect the famous Charmouth fossils. The Heritage Coast Centre is free entry, where you can meet the Charmouth dinosaur and explore the past and present of this incredible coastline. We're going to head west. You can see Lyme Regis in the distance and the cliff known as Black Ven much closer. The Charmouth Parish Council website points out that the seasonal beach huts are fully booked for this year with a substantial waiting list. This is the Eastern Beach we will come back to later. This part of the beach is made up of large pebbles. It's quite tricky to walk on, especially while filming. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. The beach is split into two separate sections by the River Char. This end of the beach has much more sand, and there's lots of fossil hunters here today. The tide is almost at high tide. It's said that during a falling tide, fossils are deposited between the high and low water mark, and are easily found with a keen eye. Here you can see Evans Cliff. Here you can see some recent landslide off the cliff. Charmouth Mudstone Formation is a geological formation dating to the early Jurassic period, around 190 million years ago, during which time this area lay beneath a warm, shallow sea, closer to the equator, approximately where North Africa resides today. With another hour until high tide and the beach starting to narrow at the eastern end, I decided to head back. Charmouth Beach came out top of the prestigious Travel Guide's Lonely Planet list, above some beautiful beaches in Iceland, Norway, New Zealand and others across the world. It certainly has a lot of added interest with the fossils, but I'm not totally convinced. Let me know what you think in the comments. Maybe I'll come back sometime to see if I have more luck in finding a fossil. I hope you enjoyed this brief walk. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, enable notifications so you don't miss the next episode. See you next time.